What's up everyone, my name is Warren Hudson and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Kool Aid. Before we get started, we're going to show you the ingredients you need. You need a 1 cup measuring cup, a Kool Aid that you can buy at any grocery store, 1 cup of sugar, about 2 liters of water, a measuring tube, and a mixing spoon. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started everyone. So first, we're going to need to pour the 1 cup of sugar into the tube. And then we are going to open the Kool Aid and dump the Kool Aid mix on top of the sugar. So after you pour your sugar and Kool Aid in, you're going to need to pour your water into the 2 quarts. Mine, okay. Okay, then after you pour the water in, you're going to take some sort of long spoon and mix up everything. And that's how you make Kool Aid. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. Let's see here, right here. Delicious! That's how I make delicious Kool Aid. Bye and see you at our next video.